Hey there, money-making enthusiasts. Welcome back to our corner of YouTube where making money isn't just serious business, it's fun too. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're unveiling the secrets to making a cool $2,000 a month online. And no, we're not pulling your leg, this is legit stuff. So, buckle up and let's go. Ever heard of freelancing? Oh, you have? But have you heard of how it can transform your bank account? Let's talk about that. We're not just talking about slapping some words onto a Word doc or doodling a logo. No, this is about using whatever talent you've got, be it coding, writing, designing, or a knack for selling things. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are like the eBay for your skills. Put your talent out there, and watch clients fight over you like the last donut in the office. Well, almost. Now, some of you are saying, but I don't have any special skills. Well, can you explain algebra in a way that doesn't induce a minor panic attack? Can you speak a second language? Then congratulations, you're overqualified for online tutoring. Chegg Tutors and Tutor.com are just itching for folks like you. Teach a few hours a week, and you'll be raking in the cash. Plus, you'll be that cool online tutor who makes learning feel less like defusing a bomb. What's next? Affiliate marketing. For those unfamiliar with the term, this isn't a pyramid scheme. Basically, you promote products, make sales, and earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but you get to work in your pajamas, and your boss is you. Affiliate programs like Amazon Affiliate, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are good starting points. Okay, onto the world of stock trading. Now, before you run away screaming, let's be clear, we're not asking you to become the Wolf of Wall Street. But with a little research and platforms like E-Trade or Robinhood, you can start making small, smart investments that can pay off big time. Remember, folks, it's not gambling if you've done your homework. Last but not least, why not rent out that guest room or the granny flat that's collecting dust? Or even your whole house if you're going on a holiday? Platforms like Airbnb allow you to do just that. It's like running a bed and breakfast, minus the breakfast. Unless you feel like making breakfast, then, by all means, go for it. That's all for today, folks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a robust online income. So, start with what feels right for you and keep exploring and experimenting. If you liked this video and want more such content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, keep hustling. How to make $2,000 a month online absolutely legit.